everyone, welcome to Chemoholics, your one-stop channel to make chemistry simple, easy and exam ready. In this series we have been talking about a numerical problem from analytical chemistry, which is a part of paper 3 for Geochemist examination, and already I have solved many of the problem. I think I have completed almost all numerical problem from 2017 paper, and you have not go through those problems, then the link is given in the description box. You can go through there and you can learn more about those problems. And if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe this channel so that you can get updates on each and every video. So again, I have taken a question, very interesting question from the same paper 3rd in 2018 paper, and this question is also of 10 marks. So in this question they are asking what weight of pyrite ore must be taken to analyze so that the BaSO₄ precipitate weight obtained will be equal to 1/2 that of the percent S in the sample. Okay, let's see what is pyrite here. Pyrite, okay, they are asking the pyrite is what? Fe(S)2. What weight? They are asking what weight of X. Let's say it's X grams, okay, taken so that analyze means somehow whatever the reaction they are following, we don't know what reaction they are following, whatever they are reaction following, and after reaction it is the sulfur amount of this is giving you BaSO₄, okay. So, and what they are, the hint is given that the precipitate, okay, BaSO₄, obviously we know that it is a precipitate. If we obtain a precipitate, will be equal to 1/2 that the percentage of sulfur, okay. So let's say we have already taken that X gram of pyrite is there, which we need to calculate, and in this X gram of pyrite Fe(S)2, let's say Y percentage of sulfur is there, okay, Y percentage is there, and if we solve this, how much amount of sulfur is there? Amount of sulfur is gonna be like Y percentage divided by 100 multiplied by X. This is the amount of sulfur, okay. And the hint is given. What is the hint is given to solve this problem? That BaSO₄ weight, BaSO₄, amount of BaSO₄, let's say it is W gram BaSO₄ is equals to the 1/2 of the percentage of sulfur. So we have already mentioned it as Y, okay. This is the hint. From here we need to solve the equation. So let's use stoichiometry, and utilizing the stoichiometry, first we will calculate, we will make another equation for this BaSO₄. So how we are gonna to solve this? Let's say X gram of Fes is giving you S amount of, let's say I am doing it broad, S amount of sulfur, okay, and this S amount of sulfur, and from stoichiometry we know 32 gram of sulfur will give 233 grams of BaSO₄, okay. Then how much, because this Fe(S)2 will give you the sulfur, and this sulfur, then how whatever the amount of this sulfur is going to give you BaSO₄. So this S gram will give 233 divided by 32 multiplied by S, right? And from here, let's say this is equation 1, this is equation 2, and this is equation 3. And from this equation 1 we can replace this s by 233 divided by 32 multiplied by y divided by 100 into x. Okay, this is our equation 4, and this is our equation 4. This is for amount of BaSO₄, right? This is the W. We can say this is W gram. And from here equation 2 we already know that W gram is what? W gram is equals to 1 by 2 of y, and it also from this stoichiometric equation this is also going to be equal to 233 divided by 32 multiplied by y by 100 multiplied by x. Okay, now it's solved. Y is going to be cut from here. We just need to calculate the x, because in the initial equation they are asking what amount of pyrite we should take. So we are going to find this x as 1 by 2 multiplied by 32 divided by 233 multiplied by 100. So if you are going to solve this problem, you will find it out as 16 divided by 233 is equals to it's gonna to give you around 6.87 gram. So this is the answer of this question. I hope you like it. It's slightly simple equation. You just need to brainstorm your mind to reach out to the problem. Basically just like maths that we have studied in our 9th and 10th class, right? Basically on that you need to find out the hint and you need to calculate it. So it's quite, as compared to, it's slightly a simple problem, I must say. And wow, from this equation you will get 10 marks. It's going to be a good. Okay, so with that, with this problem I will stop this video here. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoy this video, please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe.